Well, we've been told forever that it's good for our brains and our overall health. We're, of course, talking about breakfast, but is it really the most important meal of the day? David Schechter verifies.
My name is Jehu, and I would like to get verified if breakfast is the most important meal of the day.
Thanks, Jehu. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to thoroughly research breakfast for you.
For answers, I'm looking at a body of research papers and talking to dietitian Bridget McCormick at the Tom Landry Health and Wellness Center at Baylor Medical Center.
Is breakfast the most important meal of the day?
Yeah. So the question is a lot harder than yes and no.
Why is she saying that? Well, as you're about to see, many studies do show benefits to eating breakfast, but what's not clear is if it's the people in these studies are just healthier to begin with.
David, the news about breakfast are generally good.
Like this article in the journal Nutrition.
It looked at data from 50,000 people and found making breakfast the biggest meal of the day while avoiding snacking throughout the day may be effective methods of preventing long-term weight gain. This study found men who work in the healthcare field and regularly ate breakfast had significantly lower risk of heart disease. And this one looked at women who were irregular breakfast eaters and found a significantly greater type 2 diabetes risk.
Pretty solid findings, right? Well, let's let Bridget explain.
Yeah, no, that's fantastic. But that doesn't necessarily show cause and effect. These people also are breakfast eaters, tended to be non-smokers, not drink as much alcohol, be more physically active, or not eat really late at night. So those can be, factors that affect our health as well.
So is breakfast the most important meal of the day? The answer to that question is unknown. The big takeaway here is that breakfast doesn't live in some kind of vacuum outside the rest of your diet. But the research shows there may be some benefits to eating a healthy breakfast as long as it's part of an otherwise healthy diet. You've got something you want verified? Send me an email.